and the inside is kinda the museum.
Not kinda, it's a museum.
It's museum. 大阪ジャパン、ドハカジャパン、雪におぐ、朝は。アンジェリ、ナミサ、大阪カーソル。大阪カーソルパーク。ドハカカーソル。
Really?
We are going to explain about Osaka Castle.
Yay.
Yeah. Osaka Castle is located in Osaka Prefecture in Japan. Osaka, Japan. Duhaka, Japan. It's built in Sengoku era in the end of 15th century to 16th century. Detailed viewing is like this. Viewing is nice because business buildings surrounding around the castle. It's exotic. It's built in 1583 and constructed by Hideyoshi Toyotomi, who was a warrior or lord, samurai, daimyo. So this is kind of military base. Fortress. After the era in 1620, Tokugawa renovated the castle, and in World War II, the castle was burned, destroyed, bombed by the US.
Was there like military people?
In the castle? No. The World War II.
Yeah.
The US just burned the castle. The US burned it by many bombs. In 1496, just a temple was built around here. Oda Nobunaga versus Osaka Ishiyama Honga, a war occurred. 1580, the temple and the town was burned because of the war. So Oda Nobunaga was suicided. So Toyotomi Hideyoshi got the strongest power in Japan. So Toyotomi Hideyoshi integrated the country. So Toyotomi Hideyoshi built a castle in Osaka in 1583. It's the first castle in Osaka. It's Osaka Castle. After the death of Hideyoshi, Tokugawa Ieyasu got the strongest power of government. He became shogun. In 1615, Summer War, Osaka destroyed the castle. After the war, the second castle was built in 1620 using 10 years. Mulagusa Pilipinas. Hinay Paguyutin sa Pilipinas para balay.
You mean for 10 years they built it?
Yeah, 10 years they built the castle. But in 1665, it got a thunderbolt. So the main tower was burned. And after another war, other structures of the castle was burned again. In 1885, in Meiji era, the castle was used for military base literally by Japanese army. And in 1931, civilians were so eager to rebuild the main tower using iron frame and concrete, so it's rebuilt. The rebuilding cost is around 30 billion pesos in nowadays value. In 1995, a huge earthquake occurred, but it's left standing because it's concrete. Structure got stronger. Foundation is stronger, and after 2 years, the renovation is completed. And the inside is kinda the museum.
Not kinda, it's a museum.
It's museum. Outside is like this, and this is fish, goldfish, Osaka Castle. So huge. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. And which part are you interested in? If you have questions, please write comment. Okay, salamat sa pagkatapos sa among video. See you next time. Bye bye. Peace me out.